Good morning, guys. So I'm one of these people who likes to eat as soon as I get out of bed in the morning. And also sometimes I just oversleep. So it's really important that I have recipes that only take 5 minutes or less to prepare because I'm either really hungry and need to eat right away, or I've overslept and I need to get out of the door. So in this video, I'm going to share with you plenty of 5-minute breakfast recipes. I promise they really only take 5 minutes to make and they're delicious, filling. I also like them because you can even make 2 of them at the same time. So you could have one thing, and if you have a big appetite like I do, meantime, you're making something else. They're super easy to make, so let's get started. Toast is one of my favorite things to make for breakfast. I like Ezekiel or some sort of fancy whole wheat or sourdough bread. I'm going to show you 3 very different ways to top it. The first one is creamy, sweet, and full of vitamins and minerals. Don't forget the cinnamon, it helps to balance your blood sugar. Next, let's do a savory one. Avocado toast is a classic and one of my favorites. I love making it more filling by adding beans. To really start my day off right, I add phytonutrient-rich broccoli sprouts. The smoked salt makes it even more savory, and don't forget the black pepper. The most classic of classics is nut butter and jam. I use homemade almond butter, and I love using 2 types of jam together. Such a great way to get plenty of protein and healthy fat in the morning. Did you know that you can even make oatmeal in under 5 minutes? Simply combine oats with non-dairy milk and then microwave for 2 minutes. Then add your nutritious, delicious toppings. I like to use a sliced banana, more non-dairy milk, and maple syrup too. And definitely some cinnamon. Of course, you can always count on smoothies as a fast and filling breakfast. This one is a pineapple avocado smoothie. It requires a cutting board, but you can definitely make it in under 5 minutes. Quickly chop up your fruit, add it to the blender with a little water, and blend. This beautiful tropical smoothie is full of healthy fat, protein, and fiber. When I need a kick, I go for chocolate. For the best results, use frozen ripe bananas. If you drink coffee, add some cold brew or cold espresso. This one totally tastes like dessert, but it's healthy enough for breakfast. Of course, I love a good green smoothie. It's always wise to start your day with greens. Sometimes I'll replace non-dairy milk with fresh pineapple or orange. While they're perfect for breakfast, I like to enjoy all of these smoothies at any time of day. And since I'm super sleepy and reluctant to get out of bed this morning, I'm gonna start with my chocolate smoothie for a little boost. Delicious. So let me know which one of these 5-minute breakfast recipes you like the best, which one you want to start your morning with, or which one or two, because like I said, you can make more than one at a time. And if you have any 5-minute or really fast breakfast recipes that you'd like to share them down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps to make your mornings a little healthier and a little tastier and a little easier as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and of course, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Time to go back to sleep, Cusie.